Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the watch condition and noting its timekeeping so you can compare later. Once ready, place the demagnetizer on a flat surface and make sure the crown is secured and bands removed to avoid snagging. Plug in the unit and choose the lowest power. You want a gentle first pass. Hold the case about 1 to 2 inches above the coil, keep your wrist steady, and press the button for a 2-3 second pulse so the field begins to collapse. Once done with the initial pulse, perform slow, controlled sweeps. Move the watch vertically toward the coil over 6-8 inches, taking 3-5 seconds per pass so the field gradients demagnetize evenly. Make a small rotation, about 90 degrees, between sweeps to address different components. After 2 passes, check the movement's timekeeping. If it still shows gain or loss, raise the power 1 notch and repeat briefly. Make sure you complete the process by doing a final slow withdrawal sweep. Bring the watch to the coil center, then slowly pull it away and power down the demagnetizer before picking up the watch. Make sure to set the crown and monitor accuracy for the next 24 hours to confirm improvement. If the watch shows no meaningful change, consider battery replacement or professional service. Persistent deviation can indicate internal magnetization or mechanical damage that a demagnetizer alone cannot fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.